So today I want to talk about the Halo 3C-PC, a demo kit we built that you can give us a call or send us an email, and we can talk to you about getting it set up in your school or your healthcare facility or where you might want to use it. So in terms of hardware, what we got in this kit is you got 2 PoE cables. Okay, if you need a custom length, just let us know, or have your IT department supply it. You got your power cord for the PoE injector. Okay, it's powered over Ethernet. And you've got your Halo 3C-PC here. Okay, your backplate and your main Halo. And the IP address, passwords are all written on the back here. For plugging everything in, you've got your AC power here, okay, going into your PoE extender, okay. And then you're going to come out of the PoE extender, labeled out. And
tampering detected. Security notified.
There you go. I already got it set up. Tampering detected. Into the in port on your Halo device. Now take the other end of your cable, which I forgot to grab, and that gets plugged into your input of your PoE injector. So you're set up there. Next, let's talk about the software. So there are really 2 ways to connect to this Halo. The first of all is through a web GUI. So you just type in the IP address here, okay? It'll say not secure, go in there, go to the site anyways, and we can adjust all our settings in here. Unfortunately, with using this web GUI is we can't remote assist you with any problems or changing settings and whatnot. So what we recommend, and you have to obviously be on the same network as your Halo. What we do recommend is get it connected to the internet, and we will give you some credentials to hop on something called the Halo Cloud. Most people call it actually a vape sensor, but it's a health and safety sensor. It could do so much more other than just monitoring for vape. Now, we got actions here. Okay, so say aggression, somebody's yelling in the bathroom. Or say gunshot, or somebody yells the word help. So, or masking. Now, no, this isn't somebody wearing a balaclava. This is somebody spraying a, an aerosol can near the vape detector, the Halo sensor, to mask a vape or marijuana or smoking. So say, for example, tampering, okay? This means, the LED is going to go red, okay? Now, this is a file that's going to play tampering detected. So here I go. I touch the Halo.
Detected. Security notified.
Tampering detected, security notified. There it is right there, tampering detected. Now, you can set it up to send text messages to people, but within Canada, if you send a URL to a cell provider, in most cases, due to spam, it's not going to be received. This you don't really have to deal with. We would set this up for you and the recipients that you want the detection to go to, okay? Integrations. Some great stuff about this is we can integrate this into other VMS systems. So, for instance, we have this instance here integrated into our Avigilon Ultra-Aware Ultra-Video platform. So you got one management portal where all the alerts are being sent to, okay? What else can I show you? Cloud settings, okay? Similar to what we were just looking at before. Create your users, okay? Add your devices and your device groups. Here's your notifications. There's a Halo. Within that notification, I've selected vape, I've selected THC, masking, smoking, aggression, gunshot, keywords like help, light flashes, motion detection, haven't set that up. Soon you'll be able to have a panic button. If, say, somebody can't yell help, you can click on a remote panic button, and that will alert authorities as well. People counting, say in a bathroom, you don't normally have more than 10 people. You can set this up for the amount of people that you want max in a bathroom. Over 10 people, maybe there's a gathering that you don't want. This will alert you, okay? Obviously tampering, you've seen that. And then all your health events here. So I've selected, ammonia, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It's going to give you your health index, humidity, pressure, TVOCs. There's lots of things you can do with this. Even amplify events here, detecting a possible flood, or maybe it hears dripping of water in a boiler room. It senses a pressure in a room change, which means probably there's a door open, okay? There's lots of things you can do within this. So another neat thing about this is, map view, okay? You can upload, say, a school or a health care facility floor plan and drag your halos to whatever bathroom they may be in. So if I go and tap this,
Tampering detected.
there you go.
Security notified.
And then within a few seconds, you'll see that go red. So this may be displayed somewhere, at the principal's office or the reception or whatnot, and they're going to see this. So yeah, if you're interested in trying out the Halo 3C-PC demo kit, give us a call, send us an email, visit our website to learn more, and we'd be happy to chat and get you set up. All right, thank you.